One of the best riad in Marrakech. Riad Azoulay. The riad is located in the Medina of Marrakech, in the Souk of Mellah, the ancient Jewish neighbourhood of the city. It is a few minutes from the Bahia Palace, the Badia Palace and the Synagogue, and is about a 10-minute walk from the world-famous Jamaa Elfna Square. You will find an elegant, peaceful and relaxing environment, where the charming staff will do their utmost to make you feel comfortable and cared for. The midday sun reflecting off the small plunge pool adds a magical and shimmering touch to the guest area on the ground floor, where guests can enjoy breakfast and afternoon snacks. In the evening the atmosphere becomes truly magical, when the elegantly dressed waiters serve dinner by candlelight, and the light perfume of incense lingers among the pillars around the pool. Let's go back to story of the riad. The name Azoulay belongs to the family who owned the riad from the early 1800s. The building itself dates back to the early years after the founding of the district in around 1540. The original owner was a wealthy landlord, and this explains the presence of marble finely matched to the maiolica of Fez, the traditional wooden ceilings of carved plaster and Lebanese cedar, and the walls lined with silky smooth Moroccan tadelac plaster. The Azoulay were important citizens in their time, producing various rabbis in Marrakech and Essaouira, and later members of the family became representatives of the Jewish community and advisors to the king. A present Azoulay, André, is an advisor to His Royal Highness King Mohammed VI. The current Italian owners bought the building in 2005 because they were immediately enchanted by Marrakech and by this riad, like a magical ride home. Their aim was to restore the building to its former splendor. The materials, finishes and techniques they employed are the traditional ones which hopefully have helped to reproduce the charm and the identity of the riad and bring it back to life. Now, the riad has 5 spacious rooms and 4 suites, all overlooking the internal patio and all furnished with air conditioning and heating. Roomy wardrobes, small safes for personal effects, internet and Wi-Fi connection, mineral water and fresh flowers daily. Soft plump pillows and sheets of Egyptian cotton will help to make your nights comfortable and dreamy. All the bathrooms are en suite, and are equipped with hair dryers, soft towels and top-rate ecological toilet and beauty products. Each suite has an individual theme, giving them a unique and unforgettable character. Some of the rooms can be provided with a third bed. The poet. African, Mauritanian, and Syrian rooms have matrimonial beds which can be made into 2 singles. The suites, which have been decorated with great care and attention to detail, come equipped with air conditioning and central heating, spacious wardrobes, private safes for the guests' personal effects, internet and Wi-Fi connection, and a daily supply of mineral water and fresh flowers. Soft plump pillows and sheets of the finest Egyptian cotton have been provided to ensure the guests with all one needs for a relaxing night's sleep. All the bathrooms are en suite, and are equipped with hair dryers, soft towels and top-rate ecological toilet and beauty products. The Junior Favorita suite can accommodate up to 3 guests, a 4-poster matrimonial bed plus a single. The ritual of the hammam, which heals the body and relaxes the mind, is available to our guests in our well-being center. Guests can enjoy a relaxing steam bath, or an invigorating body scrub in the candle-lit hammam, sitting on the benches of Italian Carrara marble. Or maybe they would like to book a soothing massage by one of our qualified masseurs, and experience the exotic qualities of the locally sourced but world-famous Moroccan argan oil. The typical Mediterranean breakfast, included in the tariff of the room, can be served al fresco on the patio or terrace, or in the winter months, in the ground floor dining area. Guests will able to begin their day with freshly baked bread, homemade marmalade, and jams, boiled, fried, or scrambled eggs or omelets, oven-fresh cakes and biscuits, yogurt, fresh fruit, freshly squeezed orange juice, and of course coffee or tea. Light freshly made snacks are available throughout the day. Thus, while you are basking in the sun on the terrace, you could enjoy a Moroccan yogurt made with honey and nuts, or a bowl of fresh fruit salad, or if something a little more filling is preferred, a trio of Moroccan salads, or perhaps a sandwich of grilled vegetables, with goat's cheese and a touch of mint. Our dinners are the result of a fusion of Moroccan and Italian cuisine, served by candlelight, and followed by a relaxing herb tea. Our chef plans a delicious menu of the day with typical traditional Moroccan dishes, prepared with love and the freshest of ingredients. Try our bruettes, small pastries with savory fillings, or the famous pastia, with pigeon and almonds. The chef will make every attempt to satisfy any dietary requirements the guests may have. Vegetarians are made most welcome. Cooking class. Moroccan cuisine is a perfect combination of various traditional cuisines and is one of the best in the world. Its fascinating mixture of flavors, aromas and colors, combined with its capacity to amalgamate vegetables, fish and fruit with delicate and refined spices, have made it renowned and appreciated the world over. Mediterranean, African, and Oriental cuisine have been fused with the local Berber traditions. The bittersweet tastes are inherited from the lands of Arabia, whereas the tradition of combining fruit with meat is Persian. The desserts, full of sugar and spice, are instead a Turkish passion. In order to know a country well, there is no better way than to study its traditional cuisine, taste its foods, and enjoy its flavors and aromas. For information or reservation, call us in this number, +212 52438 3729. Or by email, info@riad-azoulay.com. Welcome to Riad Azoulay.
This video is made and recommended by Tour with Ilyas. www.tourwithilyas.com. Do you have a long stay in Morocco? Do you need a recommendations where to stay, where to eat, excursions, guides? We can draw you the destination from A to Z with all details that you can do during your stay. If you are a young couple, seniors, group, solo, whatever you are, don't hesitate to contact us, and we will be happy to draw you your beautiful holiday in Morocco. Tour with Ilyas is mediator for activities related to the organization of trips, transfers, tours, hiking, workshop, excursions. We can recommend you the best places to stay, eat, and drink, as well as the top things to do. You can visit the website or contact us directly, then you will get free informations. Yes, 100% free informations and recommendations.